Aw, that is so adorable.
Sup, girl? What's going on?
Wow, Huggy! Check out these dance moves!
It's like the rhythm's taking over!
What is that?
What's wrong, Grace?
No! It can't be! It's Mommy Longlegs!
No! Anything but that!
Ah!
Hello, Grace. Let's play a game. You need to find my keys.
Ooh, what's this? Huggy, do something!
You can count on me. Let's get out of here.
Go! Move it!
Don't they know there's no escape? We're all gonna be together. Forever.
I don't like the sound of that.
Let's get you dressed.
Please don't!
Baby needs his pacifier.
This is so humiliating! This burger's amazing. It's so juicy. What the? No! Stay back! Ah! Why? Please stop! Please don't waste my ketchup!
The coast is clear. Come on, Huggy. What happened here? Ah!
Grace, look! A bell!
Maybe we should investigate it. Let's go! Careful. It might be a trap.
Ah, live a little. Let's press it!
Now what?
Hold me!
Is it safe to look? Wait. It's a food challenge. Okay, let's do this.
Pick a side.
Left.
Good choice.
Phew, it's milk. This time, I'll go for the right. Ew, an egg. I'm feeling the pressure. Let's try the right side again.
It's mustard.
Ugh, I'm regretting this.
What are you going for this time?
Left.
That was a bad choice.
This isn't going well. What side should I pick? Right. Is that a sausage?
I'll add a banana for luck.
Thanks for that. Okay, positive thoughts. Ooh, whipped cream. Nice. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I deserve a treat. Let's give it a whiz. I want it to be nice and smooth. Just a little more. That should do it.
I can't believe you're gonna drink that.
Let's just get it over with. Oh, it smells so bad. Here goes.
I can't watch.
Oh, it's so gross! But I did it! And look! There's a key! Woohoo! Whoa, look at this place.
Have you ever seen so many ugly paintings?
We need to find the key. And there it is! Huggy, check it out!
That was easy.
Wait, do you hear that?
Who's making all the noise?
Ah, my adoring fans.
Ooh, look at this.
Concentrate! We need to get out of here! So, do you have a girlfriend? I just love your style. So then I had to drink this disgusting drink. Maybe you should look over there.
I'll grab the key and we can go. I mean, how hard can it be?
I wouldn't do that.
It's mine! All mine!
Huggy? It's a trap! No! Why is this happening to me?
It's all my fault, but at least I'm okay.
I picked a bad day to wear a white shirt. I don't think this is gonna wash out.
You act as the distraction, Grace. I'll grab the key.
You know, this isn't so bad.
Look what I've got.
Well done. Now we can get out of here.
Well, I'm looking forward to my vacation. Whoa. Hold it.
Is something wrong?
Yeah. No food or drink allowed.
Aw, that's so disappointing. This is my first time in space. Hey. So, can I go through? I've got a shuttle to catch.
Ugh. It's always Earthlings that cause the problems.
Are you kidding me? How about now?
Nope. You can't bribe me.
Wanna bet?
A bar of gold? Really?
Oh, so it's like that? Fine.
No food or drink.
Don't make me speak to your manager. This isn't over. Oh, that's such a stupid rule. Wait a minute. What's Lily doing? Just that cool. No one will suspect a thing. It's showtime.
I am so confused. Any contraband?
Nope. Just me.
Something's not right here. What's that on your face? That looks like candy.
Excuse me? Space pimples are a family condition. I've never been so insulted.
Oh, sorry. You can go through.
I knew that would work. I totally deserve a treat for that. Wow, she is good. Maybe I could try that.
Great. It's you again.
What's going on?
Are those gummy bears stuck to your face?
What? It's a gummy bear outbreak, and I'm pretty sensitive about it. I heard Mars is amazing at this time of year.
Stop right there.
Hey, how's things? Can you Earthlings read? No food or drink beyond this point. Really? I thought that was a joke. I mean, if it is, it's not that funny.
Excuse me, ladies. Got a spaceship to fly.
Thank you for your service. Go right ahead, sir.
I love my job.
Did you see that? That gives me an idea. Where's she going? Huh? What now? I have a good slow-mo shot. It really adds to the effect. I'm like the driver of the rocket or something? You mean the pilot? Yeah. Who's this? This is pretty convincing. I look like a proper astronaut. What is going on? I'm from the cardboard box planet. It's time to return home. That is so funny. Just when I thought I'd seen it all. Uh-oh. For the last time, no food or drink. Come on, it was worth a shot. That's more like it. Did you really think that would work? Shh. I don't want to talk about it. Don't worry. You can share my candy. For real? Wow. Don't mind if I do. That's why we're besties, Tina. I can't wait to try it. That's good. I hope there's an in-flight meal.
My hands are deadly weapons. My mind is clear and alert.
Whoa, he's pretty intense. I need to think of a way to get this into class. Hang on. I think I know how to do it. I just need a book. I'll put the bag between the pages. Wait. This might not work. Hold on. I've got it. I'll just put the bag under my sweater. Okay, just keep calm.
Halt! Who goes there? Oh, it's you, Lily. I think I can trust you. Head into class.
Thanks. Uh-oh.
What's this? You have betrayed me, Lily. Get inside.
Ugh.
Stop right there.
Hi.
Someone flosses. Show me your bag.
Of course. It's just my toothpaste supply.
You must really like brushing your teeth. Go ahead. I am a martial arts master!
Can't believe you took my candy. Oh, hi, Tina. I need to use my toothpaste. My dentist would be so proud. That is tasty. Oh my gosh, are you eating toothpaste? Don't be ridiculous. This isn't toothpaste. It's my candy supply. Listen to this. Start with a bowl of honey, then add a few drops of blue food coloring. Mix them together. Then take an empty toothpaste tube and pour the honey into it. Use hair straighteners to seal the tube. Then enjoy the delicious honey. It's pretty simple, really. And I have a tube for you. And that's why we're besties. I can't wait to try it. That is good. Ew! Ew! Huh? Hey, creepy hand! Back off! Got it! It's mine! No! Mommy! Oh, a dinosaur. Cool. This is just what I need. I know exactly what to do. This is a great stress release. I can feel my tension melts away. That should do it. It's just like a grab pack. Hello, friend. I'll dip the hand into paint. What a pretty color. It'll look great on the wall. It can go right here. But I need more colors. Wow, it looks amazing! I'm so creative! I could do this all day. Uh-oh. Just act natural. He suspects nothing.
Huh? What was that? What's going on? Is there something on my back?
This is the last handprint. Wow, what a difference!
A little help? Seriously, what's back there? Whoa! Who turned out the lights? This gives me an idea. I can paint this box. This is hard. Maybe I should take it off my head.
Not so fast. I need to do something. We need to paint more boxes.
On it!
Great job, Huggy! That's another one done! Almost done!
Wow! It's my name! I feel so special! What an honor!
Ooh, what's that? It's pointing up. I guess I better follow it. Where does it go? I'm intrigued. I hope this isn't a trap. I'll be so mad. There's only one way to find out. Ooh, look! Tapes! We can definitely use these. I have a great idea. But they need a splash of color. I'll paint them all different colors. They'll make a great table. I can take them out now. I'll put glue on the side of the videotapes. And now I can stick them together. That's the tabletop made. Now I can make the table legs. I'll use more videotapes for that. I want to make sure it's stable. This table needs a bowl of candy.
Did you say candy?
It's not for you. It's for Madison.
Madison, candy, medicine. Nope, I still want it!
Don't you dare!
Hey, got it! It's mine!
That's it!
Oh! I'm trapped!
I'll take those. I'm watching you.
Do you think this'll stop me? That candy belongs in my stomach! Nom 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 nom.
I knew you would do this. That's why I had a plan B. This candy safe. All you need is an old pizza box. Cut a square from it, and then paint it. Stick small foam squares to the card. This will be the control panel. Once you've made the safe, stick the control panel to it, and the candy can go inside. I just need to lock it. Huggy will never break into this.
There's more candy? I want it! Why isn't it opening? Hey, this isn't fair. I know what to do. Open up! Okay, safe. Now it's personal. You asked for this. Huh? It's still locked. I didn't want to do this, but you left me no choice.
I could watch this all day.
It's pointless.
You can have this.
Woohoo! I love candy!
That's about right. These angles sure are tricky, but mine's turning out pretty good. See? So realistic. Those green eyes are the most important detail. I need a new angle. You're not the only one drawing. No. There. Much better. Oh yeah? Let me change this. Give her back. We have to share. Just let go, will ya? Whoa! What is this place? Well, why don't you go first? A potato? What's exciting about this? It's not even cooked. You think this is funny? What about yours? Oh no! I got one too! Not so funny now, is it? I'm gonna try something here. It's sure raw. It's so hard. Gah! Gah! I'm gonna give it one last stab. Gah! Yes! Impressed? Yeah! You're strong. Ouch! Whoa! Did somebody order French fries? Tina? Tina, wake up! You passed out! But look at your potato! What? Whoa! Check out all those awesome colors! Isn't it spectacular? So tasty. I could eat 1,000,000 of these. Wait a minute. Anything? Yes! Black fries, baby! What a cool trick! I wonder if they're any good? Ding ding ding! Delicious! Never underestimate a potato. Well, let's do this! Hey! No fair! It's empty! Yeah, something's not right here. Anything under there? Nope, nothing here either. Weird. Well, guess we'll just hang out here. What? Are you a monster? You sure do have a lot of feathers. What do you want us to do? He's not gonna hurt us, right? Where did he go? What are we supposed to do now? Open it? It has a nice weight to it. I'll just bite it. That's delicious! Who knew? Well, it sure is pretty to look at. But what will it taste like? Let's see. So chewy! Ugh! It tastes fruity! I'm into it! What a nice surprise, huh? Stop! Me first. Ooh. This pizza's still frozen solid. It's just so cold. See? I can't eat this. But I don't have an oven. But I do have a blow dryer. Really? That's appetizing to you? I'd pass. Come on, melt you stupid ice. Oh! That's not supposed to happen. Hey! Wow. Is it just me? Or does this pizza look way better? Wow! Yum! That's seriously delicious! I approve. You're not gonna share? Wonder what I got under here. That doesn't look anything like Lily's. Plus, it's super puny. Aw, that's a bummer. Oh well. Should I try this blow dryer trick? I have a better idea. BRB. What is this place? He's sleeping. Mind if I borrow this for a sec? This is gonna be really cool. Gotta go. Phew. That was cool. Now back to business. There we go. One rainbow pizza coming up. How'd you find me here? Here you go. This is awkward. Ooh! That was a close one. Now let's get eaten. That was so worth getting in trouble with a witch. Nothing better than pizza, right?